Hi everybody, I'm back for one of the favorite days of the month, and it is the day that I get my Cocoa Daisy box. All I did was cut the tape, and let's see what we have. Now I did kind of mix up my, I'm sure Mary Kay was like, John, just settle on something, just settle on something. So this is the stuff for July of 2018. And I love the Washi, so I got the 3 Washi subscription. And here is With the Tide, beautiful watercolors and seahorses and such fun stuff. If you can zoom in, I'll let you pause, zoom, and read that. I wanted to try the sticker kit. This is the planner add-on kit. So the first thing that I got was the Cocoa Daisy. They have now a new Washi kit. One just of each of the Washi. And it looks like there might be a different one in here. And in, I can't tell. So there's 3 different Washi. This one looks like it has like sand dollars and such on it. This one looks like that's part of one of the seahorse. From that. And this is like a beautiful like water wave in a lot of these colors. So that's one of the things that I got, just the Washi, which I love their Washi. Now one thing that I was really happy to see was this beautiful pen. So you can see there's like a gold flecks or gold foil up there. So here's the notepad. Ooh, there's a charm too. That has a beautiful jellyfish. So let me take that little protective cap off so the pen doesn't dry out. Cocoa Daisy, July 2018 pen. It's a beautiful writing pen. It looks like it might be a 0.7 tip. It's a nice pen, and it writes smoothly. Let's try something to see. Just so we can see what it does to this paper. So this is the pad of paper that comes with every notebook, or every order of the kit. And actually, if you look, the only place there's a little bit of ghosting or a shadow you can see is right there where I really... But all of the other... Only way you can see it, maybe, is if you shine a light through it, but barely. So there's the pen. It's a beautiful pen. We have this cute paper clip, and it is like a sand dollar. There is a starfish charm, and it comes with its own lobster clasp. Cute starfish. And again, every month there are tabs that are a cardstock, and then these die cuts, which you can use to decorate cards, your insert covers, to sporadically place throughout your insert or your planner pages. Very cute. Oh, there's a vellum this month. And it says, fresh air, salty water, seen is believing. Miles away, road trip, you are brave. Amazing adventure, discover, dream, ocean. The ocean is blue. And these are the Post-it notes. Every month there's a unique design for Post-it notes. So here are those, like a little underwater sea. And that's a lot of Post-it notes. I never go through all of them. I always, you know, have some left over, which is nice. So this is like the artwork, some of the artwork that is on one of the rolls of washi, like you can see that there. And the back side is that beautiful. And then here is some more sea life creatures and some water sample, like watercolor. There's a little crab. And, oh, so the back of the jellyfish is the crab. Oh no, what if you want to use them both? I know you have two, but oh no. Okay, I'll have to decide. So there's that. Here's a quick look at the insert, and they're beautiful colors this month. Beautiful, beautiful. What I think I might do, there we go. Ooh, there's the crab, that's pretty up there. Lots of watercolor blobs, which I like. Ooh, that's a really pretty page. Every moment matters. And this is the stuff that's on this washi tape right there. Ooh, that's pretty, the jellyfish and the purples. These remind me of the colors in the Jane Davenport first edition of the mermaid markers, like the jellyfish, the conch, and coral, and all those other beautiful colors. So there's that. And then of course here are the stickers that go along with it. These are the decoratives. Here are the stickers that you can put on all of those tabs you get. Notes, meal planner, July, daily to-do, travel plans, July goals, month at a glance. Here are your numbers and days of the week. Weekend stickers, meal plan, clean, groceries. And I'll show you how I've been using these in the June and the May kits. And something else, there is a stencil. So you've got like little task to-dos. You got little coffee cups and raindrops and suns and banners and speech bubbles and lines. Very cute. And this actually looks like it's the size of the personal insert. So it looks like it might go really well in there. Is the stickers. And I've never seen the stickers before. So these are like Erin Condren decorative boxes. There's some washi strips and even some like a $sign, a trash can, a cleaning, dishes, laundry, like some useful ones, and another washi strip. Here are some checklist boxes, and for planning your meals or keeping track of things. These are nice, you know, for trackers too. Okay. Here are some half boxes, some quarter boxes, again another thing for tracking. These are cute, the hydrates, how they're in little water bottles. Some little heart decorative, some cute little words. Some more stickers that go really well with the kit. All of the, and some little checklists, to-dos, today's, next week's. Some more little decoratives. And then some larger ones for tracking important weekly tasks or monthly tasks. These are little hexagon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, hexagon tabs. Those are cute, the little watercolor droplets. You know, little swatches. And these look like they're clear. So some washi strips. Looks like there's 1, 2, 3 strips for each. And then some little watercolor samples. Very cute. The planner add-on kit. I do have the A5 inserts unpunched coming, and I'll show you how I'm using those when they get here. So it's like all of those wonderful pouches that we have. It's a cloth pouch on the outside and the inside. It's this beautiful mint and white polka dot. And it has the crab, the sand dollars, the seahorses, and the jellyfish. So there's another roll of that washi tape. So I've got a lot of washi tape this month to use. This is this washi tape. So we've got that. So we've got some paper clips or bookbinder clips that coincide or go well with the kit. Now to go along with the sand dollar, you can see there's this cute little jellyfish, 2 little book clips. I don't use clips like this because I'm afraid that I'm gonna lose them or they're gonna end up beat up and tattered. So there those are. Another set of die cuts with words, with weekend banners, little flags and such. So there's that. So life is a collection of moments. That's a card. This one says inhale, exhale. That's cute. Now here are some stickers. I need vitamin C. These are some really cute decorative stickers. Here are some alphabets, some days of the week, and some numbers. These I like to use on my personal size undated Cocoa Daisy insert. They're really nice for that. This one has some words, some little to-do banners, and some of those. It looks like I'm gonna have lots of stickers left over this month. We'll see what we can do with them. And then this is, it looks like a dashboard. And it says, dance with the waves, move with the sea, let the rhythm of the waters set your soul free. Christy Ann Martine. So that is what I got in my Cocoa Daisy box this month. Okay, so if you have any questions, leave a comment down below and I will get back with you as soon as I can. I will link Cocoa Daisy so you can find out about how you can get all of this type of cuteness. I know they still have some items left. I know, I think they still have planner add-on kits, which I was really surprised. And they even had the planner kits. So if you want to get this gorgeous pen, you can, you know, try a Dory in your size. They have standard, they've got B6, they've got passport or mini, and they also have personal, plus they also have personal ring and A5 ring. And you can get those punched and unpunched depending on their availability. So there you go. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.